Let's face it, we all want good leads. Everyone is after that lead that is ready to become a customer and pay good money for a good service. One of the challenges that you quickly find with marketing, though, is that not all leads are created equal. Oftentimes, this leads to a conversation with your marketing company about the quality of the leads that your strategy is bringing in. When it comes to acquiring new customers and evaluating those leads, it is important to think about two questions. Is this customer in the area that I service? And do they have a situation that you and your team can help them with? If those two things are true, the next step is to ensure that you have a CSR or whoever is on the call to help the potential client book an appointment to get the technician in the door at all costs. Also, be sure you are tracking the amount of good quality leads you are getting from different marketing channels. Over time, as some channels produce better quality than others, that is a great point to maximize your investment on that channel to get as many of those good leads as possible if you are not doing so already.